Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Gem Labs. In part 5 video, we have learned about interfacing of motor with Arduino. In this video, we are going to learn about measuring the water level in tank, ultrasonic sensor and explanation of programming concept. Now let us see about measuring water level in tank using ultrasonic sensor. The objective of this experiment is notify the user the amount of water that is present in the overhead water tank. The components required for this experiment is Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, LED yellow, potentiometer and resistor. Now let us learn about ultrasonic sensor. Here we are using HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of the target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. It consists of two main components. One is transmitter. It emits sound using piezoelectric crystals. Second one is receiver. It converts the sound after it has traveled from the target. In order to calculate the distance between the sensor and the object, there is a formula that is D is equals to half into T into S, where T is time and S is speed of the sound. Coming to the pin configuration of ultrasonic sensor, it consists of 4 pins: VCC, GND, trig, echo. VCC is connected to plus 5 volts and GND pin is connected to ground. Trig pin is an input pin. This pin is kept high for 10 microseconds to initialize measurement by sending ultrasonic waves. Echo pin is an output pin. This pin goes high for a period of time, which is equal to the time taken for the ultrasonic wave to return back to the sensor. The schematic for measuring water level in tank using ultrasonic sensor looks like this. Now let us see code for measuring water level in tank. Hash define is an useful component that allows the programmer to give a name to a constant value before the program is compiled. Here we have defined two constant values 11 and 10. One is trigger pin and another one is echo pin, and have taken 5 LEDs of int data type and initialized them with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In setup, we made echo pin to behave as input and trig pin to behave as output, and all the LEDs to behave as output using the pin mode function. In void loop, we have taken duration and distance of long data type and made trigger pin to be low for 10 microseconds and high for 10 microseconds and again made it as low. Pulse in reads pulses either high or low on a pin. For example, if value is high, then it waits for a pin to go high and starts timing. Then it waits for the pin to go low and stops timing. Here we have made echo pin to be high and assigned it with a variable called duration. After that, we have taken distance is equals to duration into 0.034 by 2, where duration is equals to pulse in of echo pin comma high, and 0.034 is the speed of sound in microseconds, and have given a condition that is if distance is less than or equal to 200, then all the LEDs will be in high, which means that the water level in the tank is 100%. If above condition fails, it goes to else if statement. Here we have given condition as else if distance is less than or equal to 400, the LED 1 goes low and remaining LEDs will be in high, which means the water level in tank is 75%. If this condition fails, next condition is else if distance is less than or equals to 600, LED 1 and LED 2 goes low and remaining LEDs will be in high, which means the water level in tank is 50%. Next condition is else if distance is less than or equal to 800, LED 1, LED 2 and LED 3 goes low and remaining LED 4 and 5 will be in high, which means water level in tank is 25%. And next condition is else if distance is less than or equals to 1020, then LED 5 will be in high and all the remaining LEDs will be in low, which means the water level in tank is 5%. If all these condition fails, it will go to else part. Here the LEDs will be in low, which means the water level in tank is 0%. Now let us see interfacing the measuring of water level in tank using ultrasonic sensor. First, go to Proteus software. In that, select schematic capture and select P for picking the required devices. In keyword block, type UNO and double click on Arduino UNO so that it gets selected. Now type ultrasonic and select ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. Now type LED yellow and select animated LED module yellow. Now type resistor and select generic resistor symbol. Now type pot HG and select high granulatory interactive potentiometer. Now select Arduino UNO and place it in required location. And select resistor and place it in required 5 locations. Now select LED yellow and place it in required 5 locations. After that, select ultrasonic sensor and place it in required field. Now select pot HG and place it in required field and connect it with test pin of ultrasonic sensor. Now start giving connections. Connect second pin of Arduino to resistor 1 terminal and third pin of Arduino to R2 terminal. Pin 4 of Arduino to R3 terminal and pin 5 of Arduino to R4 terminal and pin 6 of Arduino to R5 terminal. Now connect the another terminal of R1 to LED yellow terminal, R2 another terminal to D2 LED yellow terminal, R3 another terminal to D3 LED yellow, R4 another terminal to D4 LED yellow terminal and R5 another terminal to D5 LED yellow terminal. Now go to terminal mode and select power and connect it to pot HG terminal and 5V pin of HCSR05 sonar sensor. Now connect 10th pin of Arduino to echo pin of ultrasonic sensor and 11th pin of Arduino to trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor. Now select ground in terminal mode and connect it with GND pin of ultrasonic sensor, pot HG and to all the LED another terminal to ground. Now change the R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 resistor values to 100. Now go to instruments and select virtual terminal and connect pin 1 of Arduino to RXD of virtual terminal and pin 0 of Arduino to TXD of virtual terminal. After completion of giving connections, go to Arduino IDE and write code for measuring water level in tank. After completion of writing code, compile the sketch. After that, copy the hex file of the sketch and go to Proteus and double click on ultrasonic sensor and upload the hex file of ultrasonic sensor. Now double click on Arduino and paste the copied hex file of water level in program file of Arduino. You can see that when distance is 4, which means the distance is less than 200 and all the LEDs will be glowing and indicates that water level in tank is 100%. When distance is 201, which means the distance is less than 400 and all the LEDs except LED 1 will be glowing and indicates that water level in tank is 75%. When the distance is less than 600, LED 1 and LED 2 will be in off state and remaining will be in glowing and indicates that water level in tank is 50%. and when distance is less than 800, it indicates that water level in tank is 25%, and when distance is less than 1020, it indicates that water level in tank is 5%. When the distance is above 2020, it indicates that there is no water in tank. After checking the output, stop the simulation. In our next video, we are going to discuss about monitoring the room temperature. If you have any queries, contact with the details provided. And please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.